first troubadours have not said so much, nor done for love in the time when the world was gay, that we after them may not still make such songs of worth new, pleasant and true today. For one may say what has not been said ere now, else he's no troubadour good and fine, until he makes his songs gay, new and in gentle line, with new sayings of mastery divine. With new sayings of mastery divine. But in singing the beginners spoke in their way so much of love that the new speech turns to a load. Yet it is new when the doctors say what no man ever sang on another road. And new who says what he never heard before, and new what I say which no man has said till now. For love has given me wisdom, and so does it endow, that if none had invented, I should invent somehow. With new sayings of mastery divine. It pleases me to sing when I weigh the great honor that comes to me from love, and makes richer, say, for she receives my song, and my praise is flower who holds the flower of beauty that is born today. Yet I tell you well, I ought to believe more, that a beauty parted from the sky above, for it seems so much a work of paradise's grove, scarcely seems a courtesy of earth. By Jove. One thing ladies do to greater folly score, they spin their love with such long delays. For each one when she sees her lover pure without flaw, fails if she stretches it out for more days. For man lives not so long as he once would do, so it were fit the bad custom should go out of too long tarrying. For I think none would die, I doubt, so soon as now, if in love he went about. Too much she harms herself, he puts on a rich air, when a man of love entreats her or grows wroth. For nobler it is she suffer sooner prayer than if elsewhere were the sin sooth. For there are some, though one would scarce believe the tale, with whom if it was said they made cold essay. Wherefore love fails among them and turns to clay, for they hold their dearness in an evil way. I love and serve a lady where no deceit of love runs, wherefore I turn not from her side, nor should I, for men hold her the best above, and the fairest so love has been my guide. For a lover is mad when he chooses not in good place, and he who loves basely shames his own face. To the best one, not a man to turn his grace, once mercy, valor, and courtesy take their space. Lady Esclarmonde, who are you, and Lady Gaia? Each of the names of both declare its own way, for each name is so dear and so fine alway, that he who speaks